Can we start this? Oh my gosh, start it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Atmas Day. Wait a second. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Atmas Day 8, guys. Day 8. Today is Sunday. It's now 3 o'clock because my phone just alarmed, and I have 19 minutes on this, so let's make this quick. So this is one of the shirts, guys, and this is the back. Hope you saw that, because I'm not sure if you saw it yet or no, and I'm not checking. Alright, so a bit of update on the hair. So I've been waiting all morning so I can get on camera and show you exactly what do-rag did. Alright, so that is all it is. Alright, so it's almost off. So let's check. We're gonna see if it's still moist, what is happening, etc. If the do-rag kept the moisture in. Alright. Alright, so far it's not bad. The bun is definitely still moist. I don't know if you can see it. Still moist with the products that I put in it. I don't know if you can see. So it doesn't need any product right now. It's good. It's good right now. So I'm going to put back on the do-rag. So that's in the update. And elastic band wise, I think I can work with my hair without the elastic band. What do you guys think? It's not that shabby. It's not that shabby. Probably in real life it probably is shabby, but on camera it's not that shabby. Not that shabby. And plus I have my headbands that I can wear over it, so I think I can do away with the elastic band. But what do you guys think? But I think I have a lot more elastic bands, so I'm just going to use them up, and then when that is done, then I can do away with the elastic band. Alright guys, but so far it's good. I'm not going to take out the bun because I don't want it to lose any moisture or anything like that. So I'm going to just put back on the do-rag. So far the do-rag is good enough, but you just have to tie it very tight. And when I tie it very tight, the mark comes on my forehead. And sometimes I don't like that. Sometimes it's okay if I'm not going anywhere the next day, but so far it's good. Alright, so that's the update on the hair and not wearing elastic bands for at least a week. I did it on Thursday, so probably Wednesday or Thursday again. I pull it out and wash it, redo it, etc, etc. Alright, now vlogmas business now. Vlogmas business. I'm not even wipe out. Just wash my face and wash out my mouth. Vlogmas business. Alright, today is Sunday, guys. I was listening to church online, right? Good. Now, cooking wise, I didn't feel to cook. So I didn't cook rice and peas or anything fancy. I'm cooking baked chicken and white rice with probably some veg on the sides. You'll probably see clips. I didn't feel to video how I'm cooking or nothing like that today, so probably this is going to be a short vlog. Not to mention I have 3 other videos to edit and upload. 7 other videos or 6 other videos to edit and upload before the end of December. So I probably might upload it here, or just get a short vlog today. Alright, it's been a lot. I've been vlogging since day 1. It's now day 8. So guys, bear with me. Alright, so a bit of update on the hair. Oh, my Sunday is going. It's going fine so far. Hope yours is going as fine as mine. And I find it difficult to vlog on a Sunday because I have a lot of things doing to prepare for the week ahead. You understand? So I find it hard to come online because I have a lot of things doing. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. And if I don't see you again, I will see you soon. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.